ENT doctor removed my kid's earwax in 30 seconds, charged whooping 1300 rupees, that too after a discount. No wonder her clinic was emptier than Ritvi's here. So in this video, whatever I'm going to say is not just about this particular person, but also about all those people who are complaining or really having a problem with fees of a doctor or whatever doctors are charging. So this particular guy has taken his daughter to a ENT clinic and ENT doctor to remove earwax, and she removed it within 30 seconds and charged 1300 rupees. And this grown-up successful man, remember the word successful man, is complaining that this particular doctor has charged 1300 rupees for just 30-second job. Sir, I have a doubt. If you think it's just a 30-second job, why you yourself can't do it? Oh, you need a professional, right? So you need a professional for your daughter at a lower cost. Nice. Professional work at low cost. Nice. This guy on the screen will do it for you, sir, at a very lower price. Or you yourself can become a pseudo professional by watching many videos of wax removal in YouTube. After that, if your daughter can't hear on one side, please don't come to us and ask us to do something. ENT specialist. Do you even know what it takes to become an ENT specialist doctor? 10 years. 10 years of our prime years from 20 to 30, and we become an ENT specialist having so many struggles in our life. We sacrifice every small and large thing in this 10 years to become a specialist or a professional in something that is really useful for common people. And if we start doing that, you people start judging about what we charge. What is even low cost today? Right from the basic needs to everything luxurious is very highly costly. What if we say lawyer is charging so much of money just to talk? CA is charging so much of money just for using calculator. If IT employee or app developer or engineer is just charging so much of money just by clicking buttons in the laptop, will this be even a valid statement, and will it be a respectful statement for professionals? Oh, by the way, this guy Rishabh Jain, I said successful man, right? So you have to know few things about this guy. He's a labor law advisor, and he also gives courses, teaching classes and lectures for startup entrepreneurs who want to build up a startup. So will he do this for free? Okay, not for free, at least at low cost. Not even a chance. He charges thousands of rupees for his courses. He also have a YouTube channel with 5.2 million subscribers and an Instagram channel for about 1.3 million followers, and he sells courses in these platforms, and he also has a pay per view or pay per watch videos on his YouTube channel. And sir, you have done IIT from Mumbai, and in the last 12 years you have been working with many startups, you have been doing internships, you have been starting many startups, and you are earning so much and you have become successful. What if I say that in the last 15 years of your struggle, you just spend time talking to people or giving lectures to people, just ideally sitting in a comfortable chair and earning? Will that be a valid statement? Why don't you do all this just for 10 rupees and 20 rupees? Will you do that? Oh, sorry, you are selling masala chai powder for 500 rupees, daily routine planners, paper for 300 to 400 rupees. Sir, I can get this masala chai for 20 rupees outside, and these planners that you are selling on your website just for free on Pinterest. But why do people have to buy it from you? By the way, you are living in Jaipur, right, which is a urban developed city. Do you know what is cost of living in Jaipur or in and around urban areas of Jaipur? You must be knowing it. It is around 50 to 90,000. So you might have searched about a ENT doctor in Google or asked somebody who is nearby, and you have reached that ENT doctor who is living in the same area. So she is also having the same cost of living for 50 to 90,000. So what specialities does she get for not to charge 1300 rupees? And by the way, you commented that her clinic is more emptier than your daughter's ear. What kind of educated man are you to comment on a professional like that? Why did you go to a private clinic? Because you don't want to waste time by waiting, and you want a proper care for your daughter, or no, hi-fi care for your daughter. So that is the reason you went for a private clinic. Sir, but you can also go to a busy government hospital, wait there, get your daughter's ear waxing cleared with just 10 rupees or 20 rupees or even for free. But why did you not do that? And even though that doctor has given you discount, you has no audacity or even courtesy. You just commented on her on public forum like Twitter. Sir, basically you did not pay 1300 rupees for that doctor's service. You actually paid for your laziness and carelessness on your daughter. If you really care for your daughter, please look into your daughter's ear at least once in a month, so you don't need to pay 1300 rupees for a 30-second job. I think next time when you question a doctor, tell me why you are selling your chai powder for 500 rupees. Until then, this is Dr. JT signing off.